it's Leslie Meredith from Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm joined in the studio here by Mette from Kalmar Global, who has finished a presentation on eco-efficiency, and I encourage you to watch that video. But as we got to chatting, it's not only her company that has some great environmental changes that they're doing to lower the CO2 emissions, but their employees as well are going green in some really interesting ways. So I'd like her to tell you about those.
Well, one thing is we on the internet at work, we're urged to send in pictures or tips on my eco move, hashtag my eco move. So people will upload, well, I bought this old piece of furniture and I redid it and now it's beautiful instead of buying something new. So reusing things, or pictures of, this is my coffee cup. Instead of buying plastic cups, I have this one that I use every day for water, or stuff like that. And also, since I'm out talking about eco-efficiency a lot, living in Sweden, I have to fly, and makes me feel bad to fly since there's a lot of CO2.
But we need you here.
Oh, thank you. But I always CO2 offset my flights. I invest in projects. You can calculate. So this flight meant that I'm guilty of producing this much CO2, and then you can buy that offset in so many different projects. It's everything from helping people in India with certain projects to solar panels to planting trees to you can choose whatever you want. There's so many different options.
All right, that is amazing. Can you tell us, where do we find those options if we want to do that?
Just Google CO2 offset and maybe flight, or you can define it by, so what's my average household? If you want to offset that, it will calculate what an average household or person consumes in terms of CO2 or produces. It can be, what's my driving producing, what's my flying, what's my... Google, and there'll be a range of options.
Excellent. Well, we'll all get to our Googling now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.